Hey! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 10 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to select additional settings, then click on one-handed mode and pick one of those options to change size of your shrink screen. Then click on the switcher to activate it and follow those instructions. Swipe left or right from the home button to pull the screen closer to one side. If you wish to use your smartphone with your right hand, you need to swipe to the right. Then go back by clicking on the blank area. If you wish to use it with your left, do the same to the left. Go back the same way, and if you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, tap at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!